Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our group member. My name is Muhammad Fadil Muhammad Jalil.
My name is Muhammad Hazim bin Makhir.
My name is Muhammad Ali bin Ayub, and
My name is Muhammad Ali Hakim bin Mustafa.
And for the assignment, we have to do in grouping. So I will explain this, and here we introduce our group member. Okay, for this assignment, this is assignment 1 for our subject, that is microcontroller and interfacing. This assignment include two tasks, and for task A, for task A is quiz buzzer using 8051 microcontroller. For this task, the game buzzer. For this task, we have to create um one game buzzer system that are widely used in school, college, and TV programs. The team which press the buzzer earliest is entitled to give the answer. At times, it becomes very difficult to identify which team has pressed the button when two teams press the buzzer within a very small time gap. In such cases, the decision can be biased due to human intervention. The game buzzer presented takes care of the aforementioned problem. This game buzzer disables the other inputs as soon as the first buzzer is pressed. This quiz buzzer can be used for a maximum of 5. Okay. Um, for this for the quiz buzzer, and this is the program for this quiz buzzer. First is this is the unsigned integer. This is the hex value corresponding to the digits 0 to 9. This number is represent to the 7 segment that we are used for represent which switch were pressed. And this is we declare the output for uh, P0.3. This is to enable the 7 segment, the pin of 7 segment. And this is we declare the stop button for the reset the buzzer. And this is we declare for the buzzer pin to sound the buzzer. This is for the delay coding. In this quiz buzzer, we use 200 millisecond to buzzer triggered, which mean when we press either switch 1, switch 2, switch 3 or switch 4, the buzzer will trigger about 200 millisecond before the other team has to press it. And this is for the display, function display. Function to display resultant digit on the 7 segment and sound the buzzer. And this is the coding for buzzer to function to monitor the input switch. This is to check if switch 1 is pressed while P1 equals to 0 times FE. And this is for to check if switch 2 is pressed. And this coding is to check which is switch 3 is pressed. And this is same to check if switch 4 is pressed, and this is to check if switch 5 is pressed. And this is the main coding. Output pen equals to 0, stop pen equals to 1, P1 equals to 0 time FF. FF in hexa is mean it will cover full of the 7 segment display. Okay, after that we will test the simulation into the Proteus software. And this is our circuit simulation for the quiz buzzer. As you can see here is switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4 and switch 5. And this is a reset button. After we after we we upload the coding after we put the coding inside, then we play. As you can see, the 7 segment, and when we press switch 1, the buzzer will turn on about 200 millisecond. And when we want to press the switch 2, you can see the 7 segment is still display the number of switch 1. It means when the switch 1 was pressed at the first time, the other 4 switch cannot be pressed because it is to it is to prevent from being cheating as told as the in the instruction. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, this is like it becomes very difficult to identify which team has pressed the button when two teams press the buzzer within a very small time gap. In such cases, the decision can be biased. In such cases, the decision can be biased due to human intervention. It is mean when the other switch is pressed. Okay, now I press the switch 2. As you can see, the buzzer was triggered and the 7th segment was displayed the number of the switch which is I press. At the same time, I cannot press the other switch like switch 3 or switch 4 or switch 5. This is show that the person who pressed the switch at the first time very fast was the one who can give the answer. This simulation is same with same like the TV program or the quiz buzzer. If you want to press the other switch, you can see the cursor was pointed at the reset switch. When I press the reset switch and I press the switch 1, the 7th segment was displayed the number of the switch that I pressed. And when I want to press the other switch, I have to press the reset button. When I press the reset button and I press the switch 5, the 7th segment was displayed the number of 5, which means this number is represent in which switch that you was pressed. And that's all. This is the simulation for the quiz buzzer. Thank you.